Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, we're going to guide you through how you can log into Coastal Payroll service. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open a web browser and in the search box at the top type in www.coastalpayroll.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Coastal Payroll Service. In order to log into Coastal Payroll Service, go and click on the login button at the top right corner. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see your login areas from where you can log into your account with. For employers, you can click on this I solved icon in order to log into your payroll. For human resource, you can click on one of the options from the human resource criteria. If you want to manage time and labor for your employees as an employer, you can click on these links right here, which will take you to your respective login areas. For employees, you can click on this link right here in order to access to your self-service portal to check or manage your working schedule and access through much more benefits from the payroll service. To manage your times and labor, you can click on these links right here. Once you click on any one link, you'll be taken to your next page, and then you can sign in using your username and click on continue. Now, as soon as you do that, the password text box has appeared. Type in your password correct and now click on the I icon in the right corner, which will help you reveal your password so that you can double check before moving on. In case you don't remember your password and don't know what to do next, you can simply click on this forget your password link and follow the instructions so that you can reset to a new password. After everything's typed in, click on the login button and you'll be logged into Coastal Payroll Services with your respective accounts. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.